Before we begin, let me tell you something important. By watching this video, you are not just listening to English, you are training your mind, improving your thinking, and building your future step by step. This video will help you in many powerful ways. You will improve your listening skills, your speaking skills, and most importantly, your mindset. So this is not just an English lesson. This is a life lesson that can change the way you see yourself. Now let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever looked at someone successful and thought, they are talented, that's why they succeeded? Have you ever told yourself, I'm not like them, I don't have that ability? If you have thought like this, you are not alone. Millions of people think the same way. But today, I want you to challenge that belief. Because the truth is this: most people do not fail because they lack ability. They fail because they stop trying. They fail because they give up too early. They fail because they are not consistent. Let's understand this clearly. Ability is something you are born with or something you can develop. But effort is a choice. Every single day, you decide whether to try or not. Every single day, you decide whether to move forward or stay where you are. There is a powerful idea you must remember. Small effort, repeated daily, creates big success. Not one big action, not one perfect day, but small actions done consistently over time. Now let's practice some English sentences together. Repeat after me slowly. I believe in my ability. I am improving every day. I work hard even when it is difficult. I don't give up easily. I stay consistent. Very good. These sentences are not just for practice, they are for your life. Let's go deeper. Many people wait for motivation. They say, I will start when I feel ready. But the truth is, you will not always feel ready. Motivation comes and goes. Some days you feel strong, some days you feel weak, but discipline is what makes the difference. Discipline means doing what you need to do, even when you don't feel like doing it. Imagine this. You decide to learn English. On the first day, you are excited. On the second day, you are still motivated. But after 1 week, you feel bored. After 2 weeks, you feel tired. This is the moment that decides your future. If you stop, nothing changes. But if you continue, everything changes. Now think about two people. One person practices English for 10 minutes every day. Another person does nothing. After 6 months, who will improve? The answer is obvious. It is not about talent. It is about effort. Success is not about doing something big once. It is about doing something small every day. Let me give you another idea. Your future is created by your daily habits. What you do every day matters more than what you do once in a while. If you practice English daily, you will improve. If you read daily, you will learn. If you think positively, your life will change. Now let's practice again. I control my habits. I improve step by step. I learn from my mistakes. I never stop trying. I believe in my future. Sometimes you will fail. Sometimes you will make mistakes. Sometimes you will feel like quitting. That is normal. Failure is not the end. It is part of the journey. Every mistake teaches you something. Every failure makes you stronger. The only real failure is quitting. Remember this clearly. Successful people are not special. They just do not stop. They continue when others quit. They try again when others give up. So from today, change one thing in your life. Stop saying I can't. Start saying I will try. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Start now. Even if it is small, start today. If you study English for just 15 minutes every day, in 1 year you will become a different person. If you improve just 1% every day, your life will change completely. Now take a deep breath and repeat, I am capable. I am strong. I am improving every day. I will not give up. I will succeed. Very good. Keep practicing these sentences every day. Speak them loudly. Believe them deeply. At the end of this video, I want you to remember one powerful truth. You are not limited by your ability. You are limited by your effort. So increase your effort. Stay consistent. Be disciplined. And never stop learning. Keep learning English. Keep growing your mindset. Keep moving forward every single day. Your future is in your hands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.